Huggy, can I play ball with you? No, I'm okay. Well, you don't seem okay. Look, I just want to play by myself. Okay, but first I have something to tell you. I got cookies in my bag. I see you like one or two. I could keep them for myself, but I'd rather share them with you. I've got crayons in my box. I see that you need a few. I could keep them for myself, but I'd rather share it with you. 'Cause sharing is caring, sharing is love. Whenever we're sharing, it feels just like a great big hug. I like swinging on the swing. I know you like to swing too. So I say, hey, let's take turns, 'cause I'd rather share it with you. Really? Got a new computer game. I know you like to play too. Of course. So I say, hey, let's take turns, 'cause I'd rather share it with you. 'Cause sharing is caring, sharing is love. Whenever we're sharing, it feels just like a great big hug. I've got friends you want to meet, books to read together. You've got moves that can't be beat. Sharing makes them better. Sharing is caring, sharing is love. Whenever we're sharing, it feels just like a great big hug. Sharing is caring, sharing is love. Sharing is caring, sharing is love.
Do you like your vegetables? Your vegetables, your vegetables. Do you like your vegetables? They taste so fresh and good.
Yes, I like my vegetables, my vegetables, my vegetables. Yes, I like my vegetables. Everybody should.
Which color are your favorite veggies, Huggy?
My favorite vegetables are green, the greenest greens you've ever seen. My favorite vegetables are green.
And which ones are those?
Like broccoli and baby peas.
Would you like more?
Oh, yes, yes, please. And cucumbers and celery. And don't forget the best green beans.
And how about you, Buggy?
My favorite vegetables are red, beautiful, bright, shiny red. My favorite vegetables are red.
And which ones would they be?
Like radishes and cabbages and sweet red peppers. I like them too. And for a treat, some tasty beets. Can I have one?
Sure, take two.
Do you have a favorite colored vegetable, Gigi?
My favorite vegetables are yellow, sunny, happy, pretty yellow. My favorite vegetables are yellow, and these are just a few. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I spilled the apple juice, uh-oh. Mommy, I'm so sorry now, the kitchen is a mess.
Honey, don't worry, we'll clean it up in a hurry. Next time be more careful, but there's no need for distress. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, I broke the flower pot, uh-oh. Daddy, I'm so sorry now, the living room's a mess.
Honey, don't worry, we'll clean it up in a hurry. Flower pots can be replaced, but not you, my princess. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more.
Uh-oh, our clothes are dirty now, uh-oh. Kiki must have stepped on them, they really are a mess.
We caught you. In the backyard we saw you making little mud pies, so you might as well confess.
I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more.
I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more and more.
I don't wanna clean my room, I don't wanna wake up early, I don't wanna brush my teeth or take a bath or go to sleep. I just wanna watch TV and eat a lot of chocolate ice cream. Wanna play my video games and hide and seek, and Simon Says. I don't wanna, no, no way. I'm not gonna, no, not today. Hey! No way! I don't wanna wash my face, or eat my veggies, or brush my hair.
I just wanna text my friends and listen to my favorite music,
Or go to the amusement park and ride the roller coasters there. I don't wanna, nope, no way. I'm not gonna, nope, not today.
So, have you gotten it out of your system?
Sorry, Mom, sorry, Dad.
We will try to do what you ask us to do.
Come here. Let's get you guys to bed. It's a school day tomorrow.